Hi everyone, my name is Rita Mawuena Benissan. I am an artist and founder of Si Hene. Welcome to What's in My Bag Archiving Edition. Here we have my tote bag that I use always. It holds all of my archival materials. The number one thing that you need is white gloves. These white gloves will protect you and your photographs from any stains or residues that will be left from your fingertips. Then we have our photo album that stores all of the information, photographs, documents that our parents, our grandparents, aunts, and uncles have stored over time. You see here, we have them in these plastic slips that also provides an extra protection for these photographs, especially if the photo albums can't hold everything. And they come in different sizes too. We have a journal here to be able to document, label, or just record any information that might be lost if someone passes away, but it's also a way for us to keep records. For us to digitize our archives, we need a phone, or a digital camera, or even our handy dandy scanner. Now, after we archive our photos, we need to be able to store them. You can store them in a hard drive, in a flash drive, or even on the cloud. In addition to all the materials that I use to archive, I also follow a step-by-step guide. This step-by-step guide will be accessible to you during our Vanishing Past workshop on June 7th, 8th, and 9th. We can't wait for you to all join us together as we also celebrate and honor our Ghanaian British photographer James Barnard as he celebrates his 95th birthday. Can you imagine all of the photographs and objects and documents that he has collected during that time? I wonder what's in his tote bag. So please come together, bring your family, bring your neighbor, bring your cousin, aunt, and uncle, and let us unlock our vanishing past. Thank you.
Abele.